When I worked in the industry, I worked in New York City in the garment industry, in the garment district, and I had worked for an apparel manufacturer. Bringing industry knowledge into the classroom is really, really important because it's not just one thing to learn how things are done, but you really have to be able to have enough information to apply it when you go out into the work world. And the way clothes are designed and manufactured and marketed to customers doesn't change based on technology. But how you bring those skills to technology as far as in the online class is really important. When students understand those building blocks, makes it easier to share that information with students and then show them how, as technology changes in the industry, knowing those building blocks, you can continue to develop your own skill set. Interacting with students in online classes is really important because if you don't interact with them, it's just them reading the material. It's my responsibility as the instructor to enhance that and to embellish that so that way they get drawn in to the point where they can't wait to log into the class and to go to the next step. One of the things that's really exciting about online learning is we can reach a different level that we're not at in the classroom. And what I mean by that is business is a global environment. The fashion industry is global. There are very few products that are completely from start to finish produced in one geographic location. Supply chain includes endless number of locations. And so being able to offer a program online and teach online allows us to simulate what's going on in industry. The fashion program oftentimes gets misunderstood. People assume that you need a design background or that you can sketch to be successful in this type of a degree program, and that's not the case at all. This is not a fashion design program. This is a fashion merchandising program. One of the most important things I tell students is don't necessarily focus on the industry, focus on your skill set. So if you understand how to analyze a customer and be able to bring a product to them, it doesn't matter what the product is. We teach you how to understand what consumers are looking for. How do we identify what they want before they even know that they want the product? And so you will learn how to identify and how to do research on the consumer's behavior, how to take the research that you've learned and how to understand the consumer and move that all the way to a product, production, and then into the store. So you'll still be able to ignite your passion of design, but what you'll learn is how to do that in the business setting where consumers will purchase your goods, as opposed to just doing a straight design and not knowing who's going to buy it or where.